Let me introduce the functions of one of our panels. These two lights are a Bluetooth indicator light. We have a pairing button here. It defaults to one channel. And a wireless microphone reception indicator light. Pressing it will default to two channels. This white button is the button to switch between active speakers and passive speakers. There is also a button to control the volume. This is our main power switch. Let me show you the functional interfaces on the back. First is a DC power interface. This is for our passive speakers. Two audio cable interfaces. This is a RCA connector for an active speaker. This switch is our Bluetooth power switch. Flip it to turn it on or off. Then we have a USB port. Connected computer can be used as a USB. These two are a Bluetooth antenna and a wireless microphone receiving antenna. Two scenarios for using the lavalier microphone. We have a receiver paired with a mobile phone and two transmitters. If we use the transmitter alone, we can pair it with a local loudspeaker. You can use this mobile phone receiver to connect to your mobile phone and use it alone for live broadcasting. Another form of handheld wireless microphone. After turning it on, it can be paired with our local conference. The sound is much louder than before. We're standing under the speaker. The sound isn't muted. It's very clean, feel it. We have no audio interference. I've now connected to you via microphone. Normal speaking sound. Normal speaking sound is very clear. Let's first demonstrate the local USB music and video playback function. Open the device. Use this device for demonstration. Open button default connection. Then select the driver. Select USB audio for the speaker. Also select USB audio for the microphone. Speak to the other end. Normal conversation. Speak again. Our sound is normal now. Let's flip the switch. Turn on Bluetooth leveling, then turn on Bluetooth. Connected. Our Bluetooth name is WSR1. Then, let's demonstrate. We play music.